Good morning class 9. This is a part 2 video from exercise 18.1, that is trigonometrical ratio of standard angle, and today we start from question number 11 subpart 1. Okay, the question 11 subpart 1, you see, if 2 theta is an acute angle and 2 sine theta equals to root 3, find the value of theta. So here is 2 sine theta given, root 3. We know that sine theta root 3 value, that is, here is we write sine theta root 3 by 2. Okay, we know that sine theta root 3, it's sine 60. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So sine cancel, theta equals to 60 degree. Okay. For question number 14.1, if 3 theta is an acute angle, find theta. Question given again, 2 sine 3 theta equals to root 3. We write sine 3 theta equals to root 3 by 2. Sine 3 theta equals to sine 60. So sine cancel, 3 theta equals to 60 degree. Therefore theta equals to 60 by 3, that is 20 degree. Okay. Now question number 15. If tan 3x equals to sine 45 and cos 45 plus sine 30, find the value of x. So tan 3x, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So tan 3x equals to 1 1 ja 1, root 2, again 1 by 2. So tan 3x equals to, taking LCM of 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So tan 3x is equals to 1. In place tan 3x, we know that tan 45 value is what? 1. So tan cancel, 3x equals to 45. Therefore x equals to 45 upon 3, that is 15 degree. So the value of x is 15 degree. Okay. Note. Question number 17.1. If sec theta equals to cosec theta and 0 degree greater than theta is greater than 0 degree but less than or equals to 90 degree. So find the value of theta. Okay, find the value of theta. So sec theta, that means what? Sec theta is given, that means hypotenuse by base and cosec theta, that means what? Hypotenuse by height. So this hypotenuse cancel. So here 1 by base equals to 1 by height. This height going this side, that means height by base equals to 1. That means what? Height by base, we know that tan theta. Okay, and 1 is, we know that the value of tan 45 is 1 degree. So tan cancel, theta equals to 45. You see the value of theta is greater than 0 but less than 90. Okay, you see again height by base and height by hypotenuse by base and hypotenuse by height. Hypotenuse cancel, 1 by base equals to 1 by height. This height coming this side, that is height by base equals to 1. So height by base equals to tan theta, and we know that the value of 1 is tan 45. Okay, note. Question number 19. If 3 tan squared theta minus 1 equals to 0, find cos 2 theta given that theta is acute. So 3 tan square theta minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, that means in place of 3 tan square theta 1, we know that tan 45, we write equals to this one going this side 1. So tan square theta equals to 1 by 3, 3 coming this side, tan square theta is 1 by 3, that means tan theta equals to root over 1 by 3, that means 1 by root 3. Okay, tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. We know that the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan cancel, theta equals to 30 degree. Okay, note. Just only you know the value of this all this theta, okay, then this chapter is very easy. Question number 21. If sine a plus b equals to root 3 by 2 equals to cos a minus b, find the value that a plus b given more than 0 but less than or equals to 90. So find the value of a and b. Okay, so sine a plus b equals to root 3 by 2 given, and cos a minus b equals to root 3 by 2 given. So sine a plus b root 3 by 2, that means sine 60. So sine cancel, a plus b equals to 60 degree. This is our equation 1. Okay, cos a minus b root 3 by 2 value is cos 30. So cos cancel, a minus b equals to 30 degree. Equation 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get a plus b equals to 60 and a minus b equals to 30. So plus the minus b cancel, 2a equals to 90. Therefore a equals to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Value of a is 45 degree. Okay, putting the value of a in equation 1. Okay, so a plus b equals to 60 is our equation 1. In place of a we write down 45, b equals to 60 degree. Therefore b equals to 60. This 45 going this side, that means subtract 15. So the value of a is 45 and b is 15. Okay, note. Okay, question number 23. If the length of each sides of a rhombus is 8 centimeter and its one angle is 60 degree, then find the lengths of the diagonal of the rhombus. If the length of each side, okay, you see, if the length of each side of a rhombus is given 8 centimeter, first of all we draw a rhombus. This is rhombus, that is A, B, C, D, done, and its one angle is 60 degree. Okay, now what the question, then find the length of the diagonal of the rhombus. First of all, you draw the diagonals. This is diagonal. Okay. The basic point of the diagonals, the basic feature of the rhombus is that the diagonals bisect the angles. That means this angle divided into 30 or 30 degree. Okay. And the diagonals intersect at right angle. That means here is 90. So first of all, you draw the separately angle AOB, this triangle. Okay. AOB. We clearly seen that in place of A is 90 degree, here is 30 degree, and this is 8 centimeter is given. We know that all sides of the rhombus are equal, that is 8 centimeter is given. Okay. So from this triangle you calculate the tan 30 value. Suppose we know that the tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 means what? Height by base. So angle is here, so height is 1 or base is root 30, root 3 degree. Okay. But these questions are given in what? Ratio. So we take in let OB and AO be 1x and 3x respectively. Okay, done. That means this is 1x, this is 3x. Why? Because this question are given in the ratio. So we, and this is 8 centimeter, that is the length proper given, but this is not the proper length. Okay. So we take in this is 1x, this is root 3x. Okay, now apply the Pythagoras theorem. We know that hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. In place of hypotenuse, we know that opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, that is 8 centimeter square. Height is given 1x square and base is root 3x square. So this is 64x square, 3x square. So 64 equals to 4x square. So x square equals to 64 by 4, that is 16. Therefore x equals to root under 16, that is 4. Okay. So you see BO, that is 1x taken. So this is 1 into 4, that is 4, and AO is taken 3x, root 3x. So this is root 3 into 4, that is 4 root 3. Okay. If AO is 4 root 3, we know that the basic feature of the rhombus what? The diagonals bisected. That means if this one is 4 root 3, this portion is also 4 root 3. So if AO is 4 root 3, that means OC is also 4 root 3. So the total length of the AC is 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3, that is 8 root 3 centimeter. That means the length of one diagonal is 8 root 3 centimeter. Now for the another one. We see, we calculate OB is 4 centimeter. If this one is 4, that means this one is also 4, because we know that the diagonals bisected each other. So length of BD is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. So the length of the two diagonals, first one is 8 root 3 and the another one is 8 centimeter. Note. Okay, now time for exercise 18.2. First of all, we learn some basic formula of this exercise. Okay. Exercise 18.2. Sine 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equals to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta. And number 6 is cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. These are the basic formula of this exercise. Now I start from question number 1. Okay. You see in question number 1, that is given cos 18 by sin 72. Cos 18 degree by sin 72. Evaluate. Okay. So you see the first step, cos. In place of 18 we write down 90 minus 72, because we know that 90 minus 72 is what? 18. So in place of 18 we write down 90 minus 72. Done. And the denominator same as, okay. You see cos 90 minus 72. Here we read the formula what? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus 72 is cos 72. Okay, again I repeat, sorry, cos 90 minus 2, it's sin 72. You see, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in place of theta I write what? 72. So that means cos 90 minus 72 is sin 72. And here is also sin 72, that means sin 72 cancel, that is the answer is 1. Okay, very easy. Question 2.1. Cot 40 tan 50 minus half cos 35 sin 55. Okay, again the same process. You see, cot 90 minus 50, because we know that 40 is equal to what? 90 minus 50 equals to 40. So in place of 40 we write down 90 minus 50, and the denominator portion same as, okay, again half, in place of cos we write down 90 minus 55. You see, 90 minus 55 is 35 degree. Okay, and here is sin 55. You see, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So cot 90 minus 50 is tan 50. Okay, in place of theta we write down 50. So theta behave as a 50, tan 50. Okay, half, again cos, you see, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 55, and here is also sin 55. So this one cancel, 1 minus half, this one cancel into 1. So 1 minus half is half. Okay, note.